I am sitting in a 2020 Toyota CHR. This uses the 3-button flip key. This takes the later part number in 2020. There's 2 different part numbers. Make sure to look it up by VIN or pop the back cover off to get the FCC because they're completely different. Okay, we're going to go to, we have the original key in the ignition right here. What we're going to do is go to CHR. We're going to add 20 to 21 to the list. It only goes up to 19, but that's not going to matter. We're going to do the immobilizer first. The ignition's on. And program a key, yes. We'll take our key, take it out, turn it back on. Press enter. Take our key, take it out, press enter, new key, insert only. Press the OK button. This is going to take probably 45 seconds to program. There's our status bar. Our security light is right here to the right of where the track button is on your home screen. Okay, we're getting near the end. Let's go ahead and look at the security light. It's out. Procedure's complete. Now, we'll take the key out. Watch the security light. I'm going to insert the key. Perfect. It's going to start. Lights out. Now we're going to turn the key to on. We're going to back out. We're going to go to remote control number 1. Turn to on. We're going to program a remote. Hold the lock and unlock button right here. Let go. Press the lock button. There's our tone. Hit OK. There we go. Procedure is complete. Now we'll take our key out of the switch. Lock and unlock works. Put the key in the switch. Immobilizer lights out. Vehicle starts. Take the key out. And then, since we're adding a key, this has no effect on the original, but you can see how the original works. Put it in the switch. Turn it on. Security lights out, starts up, and it runs. So you're supported up to 2021 on this vehicle. Just make sure you have the correct key.